Get ready to watch Instagram ads step by step which can earn you $200 a day fast by promoting a ClickBank offer. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to promote ClickBank products on Instagram which can make $200 a day. And if you're first time here guys, do subscribe my channel Affiliate Conversion, watch few of my videos guys, and if this is helping you to make money online, then do not forget to subscribe it right away right now and put that bell notification, as well as smash that like button, because with this method you can make $200 promoting a ClickBank product with Instagram. So here we are in the marketplace of ClickBank. So we are going to select some a beginner friendly niche, for example like home and garden here. So right now here you can see so many different products are there. We are going to select by Gravity. I'm not a big fan of Gravity, selecting by Gravity and all, okay, but you have to do the research about the product. So this is TED Woodworking. So if you want to make $200 here, you need 4 sales right with this offer. As well as guys, here you can see brain training for dogs. It's also doing very well. So on an average you can make $31. Okay, this is an average, but this is what you're going to make really. Okay, this is an initial sale. Okay, this is very important. So many people are seeing this average sale is everything. Okay, no, this initial sale is everything here. Okay, this is what you're going to make first. Okay, this is an overall average. Okay, if they are going to buy the one-time offer, or this can be more or less. So not every time the average sale will be equivalent to the initial sale. For example, this offer here, you can see the average sale is $73, but their initial sale is $18. Okay, so this is you have to. So this is what you're going to make. But if the audience is going to buy more, you're going to make an average of $73 or sometime more than that. Okay, they have a lot of different products. So right now we're going to select this product called Brain Training for Dogs. They have their affiliate page. Let's open this affiliate page and this page also. And I just want to tell you, this video will go a little bit longer because I just want to go step by step slowly so that I can show you more about it. So here, this is their affiliate page. Okay, so they have everything here. You can see articles, review. If you want to make a review in this, you can make a review. And all those things they have given here, okay, about the products, banners, free giveaway. This you can use to collect the emails if you want to collect the emails, right? Email swipes, promotional videos, keyword ideas. If you want to promote with YouTube ads or Google search ads, Bing ads, you can use these keywords over here. But the very important thing for me is like this, their sales page. So as I know, I'm seeing this offer from a long time. This is there, I think, from 2017. Okay, so here you can click vendor spotlight. So here you can see in the last 30 days this product has doing up and down, right? It is there from 2016. Okay, so from a long time it's doing very well, still doing very well. Okay, so sometime going up and down, it's growing great. So this is how you can see what is happening in the last 30 days. And also in the TED's Woodworking, if you click, this product is still doing great. And we'll see the sales page. Okay, develops your dogs and hidden intelligence. You have to get into the sales page, guys. It's very important. Then only you can create your ad copy and images here. Okay, it's very important. So the first thing is, right now I already know this sales page, so I'm going to look for the headline which I'm going to use. Okay, so something like develops your dog hidden, right? So I'm going to make this thing here in the note, develop your dog's hidden intelligence to eliminate bad behaviors, or something, right? Who need this secret to using your dog's natural intelligence? Once you learn my simple techniques for unlocking your dog natural intelligence, you will be amazed at how quickly problem behaviors disappear and you dogs start to obey you. I think this is a good headline for your landing page. So once you learn my simple, I would write here this, right? Learn this, right? Simple techniques for unlocking your dog's natural intelligence. You will be amazed at how quickly problem behavior disappear and your dog start to obey you. And then we'll look for more. Something I have here, which I see, right? Create the obedient and well-behaved pet of your dreams. Okay, this will use as a sub headline. Okay, we'll use this sub headline. Okay, look at this. Like, once you learn this simple techniques for unlocking a dog's natural intelligence, you will be amazed at how quickly problem behavior disappear and your dog starts to obey you. Create the obedient, well-behaved pet of your dreams. Then we'll give some images here and the call to action. Very simple. Okay, so we'll select some images. I think this image is good, right? So this is okay for me, right, in the landing page, because you have to spend a lot of time, guys. While recording, you can't do this, okay? But, and also we'll look for some primary text for your ad, okay? So here we're gonna use like simple techniques for unlocking your dog's natural intelligence. So we're gonna use this as my primary text in my, right, Instagram ads. Okay, simple technique for unlocking your dog's natural intelligence. And also I can use something from here to eliminate bad behavior and create the obedient, well-behaved dogs. Okay, so we take this one from here and we're going to create like this, something like this. Okay, simple technique for unlocking your dog's natural intelligence to eliminate, right, to eliminate bad behavior and create the obedient, well-behaved pet of your dreams. Okay, so this is good ad copy. Okay, and also we need a strong call to action, so something which can stop buying, right? Unlocking, this one is good. I think unlocking your dog's natural intelligence. So we're going to copy this and we're going to put this thing also here. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to use it. So we'll not use unlocking, we're going to keep like this: unlock your dog's natural intelligence. So almost, right? So you have to spend a lot of time. So I just, right, recording here, I don't want to waste more time, right? This is how I spend a lot of time testing different headlines and all those things, guys. So now let's create the headlines which we already made from there. So we are going to use this, right, as a headline here. So copy, or we cut, and when we're going to put this here, okay, simply we'll reduce the size of it. You can create in any landing page. So right now I'm creating with GetResponse. In my upcoming videos, I'm going to show you how to create ClickFunnels, unlocking your dog's natural intelligence. I just want to make it bold. Okay, here, and I need this image. I think we can copy this image. Let me open here in the another tab. Yes, we can copy this image. We can save here, save the image in the device. So this is the image. So we'll make it a little bit bigger here. It will take a lot of time to adjust on all this. And then now what we need is a, which we already have. Okay, create the obedient, well-behaved pet of your dreams. Okay, right? So once you learn this simple technique for unlocking your dog's natural intelligence, you will be amazed at how quickly problem behavior disappear and your dog start to obey you. Create the obedient, well-behaved pet of your dreams. Okay, so we are given this image, and then we'll put the call to action here. Okay, just simple. So here in call to action, we're going to put something, right, which we already have it, right? Unlock your dog's natural intelligence. So this is our call to action: unlock your dog's natural intelligence. Okay, and now, right, you have to put the Facebook disclaimer here, as well as you have to also include the ClickBank disclaimer here. So here I'm given the Facebook disclaimer, ClickBank disclaimer, also terms, privacy disclaimers, and contacts. Okay, this is really important. I already have a depth video in this, right, how to get this and all. So okay, so it's very easy to create all this, and which is very, very important, okay, while promoting with Facebook. So here is our landing page is ready. So once we click here, and this is the landing page. Okay, we're going to use our own domain. It's very important if you're promoting with all the disclaimers and all. And this is our landing page right now to promote with Facebook ad. Now, very important thing is, guys, to get the images to run the Facebook ad. For that, we'll get into here in the Google and we'll type here something like dogs or bad dogs. Okay, bad dogs. We need an image, right, so that we can create a image for Instagram. Okay, so bad dogs, there's so many dogs images. You got it, right? Look at this dog. Okay, this is really funny. Okay, and there are so many. You have to look some image which should get the attention of pupils. Okay, which should not violate the Facebook ad policies, but it should get the attention of people. Okay, so something which they have dogs. Oh, sorry, I wrote dogs. Okay, this image, look at this image. Okay, this is fine, which we could use here. Okay, but this is dirty dogs, not bad dogs. Okay, this image I think good. Okay, this one is good. Okay, so dog is here, the trainer hand is there, and images is there. You can upload this image in your device and give this image to the Fiverr.com. Okay, how to give and how to contact the Fiverr, right, Facebook ad image makers, I created in the last video. If you have not seen the video, guys, I'm going to link up that video at the end of this, okay, video. So I think this one is good, and also this one. Just imagine if you have a dog like this, okay, what will happen? There is no right clarity in this image. For meanwhile guys, to save the time, I'm going to upload this. Okay, save images. You have to test different images guys. The biggest problem that you're not getting any conversion in Facebook ad is you're not testing different images. Okay, this image already have a watermark. Okay, this is also good. Okay, but the resolution is very light. Okay, for meanwhile we're going to use that only. Okay, so now we are into Canva. We'll upload that image. We're going to use the elements here, and in this we're going to use this one, and what we're going to do, we're going to upload this. Okay, so we'll just make the clarity because I want to show all right. Trainet's hand is there and all those things there. You can also put a background here, or a border here, not the background. You can put the background. So you can color the backgrounds with any color which can get the attention and of the red one, something like this. Okay, you can use this red one. And also if you want, right, this image is quite really good. Okay, so you can test this image by copying this image with, right, you can put some circle or something like that. Okay, this circle here. Okay, so you can put this one here, for example. We can give this, right, this will drag the attention of the pupil. Okay, so while running the ad, I generally don't use circle. Okay, sometimes Facebook don't like it, sometimes they don't do anything. Okay, so you can give this circle, or also you can give the arrow mark, something like this. Okay, this arrow here. Okay, just with this will always drag the attention of pupils. Okay, this is what you have to do in Instagram or anywhere. Okay, so this is image. Great. Okay, so right now there we have a 2 image. We're gonna or download the image, not upload. So we have this 2 image over here which we can use right now. So now guys, this is the time to set up the ad. For this guys, we're going to create, click here, create. And now guys, you have to pay attention because these are Facebook ad and Instagram ads are almost very similar guys. There is only few things which you have to keep in mind. Okay, only 3 places you have to understand, right? You have to make a change for Instagram ads, or rest of all other thing will remain the same. Okay, so it's up to you, right? Conversion ad or traffic ad, whatever you want to choose. So I'm going to get into traffic ads here. You have to name your campaign. I'm not getting into here. Okay, and if it is a campaign budget optimization, you can select this. I already have a videos and all those things guys, so I'm not getting into here more. Okay, so name your campaign and then continue. Okay, so ad set, name your ad set or campaign name, which is this is for you. Okay, and then guys, now you have to target. Okay, so you have to target the tier 1 countries. For example, I'm going to target right now United Kingdom. Okay, United Kingdom. Okay, this one here. And now this is, once I targeted United Kingdom, here is one option you're going to get, and that is people living in or recently in this location. So you have this option like people living in or recently in this location. You can select, right, people living in this location. This is up to you. Okay, both of these two are good. Okay, people living in this location, because those are the people who keep dogs. Okay, because they are living in this location. Okay, some very rare people will travel and take their dogs. So this is really important in this offer. Okay, and then we have to edit the age. Okay, so let's see what they're offering in this sale, right? The affiliate page are they offering some thing age or something like this? So they have given, right, email swipe and all, but they have not given anything, right, to target with Facebook. So dog lover doesn't have any age, so we'll keep like 20 to almost, right, all the ages, I think, right, 65, 64, all these ages, and male and female, everybody love the dog. So now targeting part here. So here you have to test with different. Okay, so let's see with what we can get here. Dogs, dog trainer. We are looking dogs interest, dog handler, right, dog breed, dog training. Okay, look at this dog training. So this is, I think, this is good, and here you can see still the potential reach is very, very high. Okay, so dog training, and you can use more here as a, right, you can use other also for, like, if you select here dog grooming, walking, behavior. Look at this, behavior is amazing. If you can select this behavior also, and a lot of things. I think behavior is good, dog behavior. Okay, dog behavior and dog training. Okay, still it's almost for 5 million. Okay, so dog behavior and all, right? So what I'm going to do, right, if I create my ad, I'm going to, right, always keep one thing in mind which you have to do, that is one variable at a time. Okay, so I selected United Kingdom and I said age of between 20 to 64, all the male and female, and I want dog behavior. Okay, target one in one ad set. And if you want to target another keyword, use another ad set. Okay, that's how you can see which is converting very, very well. Remember, this is really important. Okay, this is the reason maybe you're not going to get the sale, and that is you're targeting broad, very broad. Targeting too short is also going to have a problem. Okay, so you can use dog behavior or you can use dog training. Okay, something like that, or you can use both here. Okay, so I already have a video on this, and you can also exclude and narrow down. For example, if I narrow down, what I'm going to type here is like shoppers. Okay, engage shoppers here, people who were shopping, right? Look at this, engage shoppers. Okay, so now I think the audience size will be a little bit less. Now look at this, potential reach is less, 2 million. That's fine for me. Okay, right now. Okay, and this that means, guys, you know, look at this. You can see this image. That means, guys, you're targeting a different keywords. Okay, dog behavior, dog training, all your different keywords are there, right? That's why it's showing the broad. Okay, this is not targeting for one particular thing. That is why they have given narrow down. Okay, and if you see in narrow down, I selected somebody who have a behavior of shopping dog foods or dog related things online. Okay, they are the shoppers online. Okay, look at this behavior, purchase behavior, who is engaging people who have clicked on the call to action button, shop now in the past week. Okay, so you're targeting those kinds of people. This is one of the trick or the strategy I'm just giving you. And if you click here, you can see, okay, this is like dog behavior or dog training, or this is like engage, right? Dog training or behavior. This is like the other people, right? Engage shopper. This is what we are targeting. Okay, this is what this mean. Okay, and languages you can select, that's up to you, right? English, because we are targeting UK English. Yeah, that's right. Okay, UK English, we are targeting UK. And then, guys, now this is the really important place, guys, right? This is the first important place if you're targeting in Instagram. Okay, Instagram ads, rest will remain the same, and that is you have to deselect Facebook, audience network, and messenger. Okay, you have to keep only Instagram. Okay, that is only the one of the important place here. And now here you can see news, Instagram feed, explore page, and you have a story. So we are not using story, but why? Because guys, because the image which we created is for explore page. Okay, the 1:1 ratio. Okay, so we are going to use only in the Instagram feed and explore page. So we can remove this story. Okay, like this from here. Okay, so we're going to target only these two places. Okay, if you want to target story only, guys, my recommendation, that's my strategy, right? Select story and deselect this 2:1, because your image is not going to set there. Okay, that I'm going to show you once we'll go to the ad level. So I'm going to remove this story here. This is the key area, guys, if you're promoting with Instagram. Okay, and then landing page view, you can also keep link clicks. That means whenever somebody is going to click the link, the Facebook is going to deduct your budget. Okay, or else you can keep landing page view, which I always keep, because I want that people should arrive in this landing page. Then only you should deduct the money. And you can start with lower budget, like $10. And it is, I'm showing in Indian rupees, but you can start with the $10 here. Okay, and that's it. Okay, so once you're ready here, just say continue. Now, second very important thing here, guys, running with Instagram ad. So here you can see you have to select the page, right, which is based on dogs or something like related to pets. Okay, so here you can see woodwork all. Okay, this is my woodworking offer which I was promoting from a long time. Right now I'm not promoting it, so I created a page for woodwork. Okay, so most of the people, what they do, guys, they create one page and use to sell the offers with that same page. Facebook hate that, guys. Actually, that's not the best practice. Yes, of course you can use the same page, okay, of a same niche, or even you can use the same page. Okay, but I will recommend you to follow the best practice. Okay, Facebook never shut down your account, guys. Before they shut down, they are gonna see lot of things. Okay, if you're doing a lot of disobey of the Facebook ad policy, then only they shut down. Okay, or even if they shut down your account for any particular reason, guys, if you do 1 or 2 mistakes and if you can say that, right, I am a new, they will reopen your account. Okay, but if you do a lot of bad practices, guys, they will never reopen your account. Okay, that is the reason. So create a page. So right now I'm not getting into creating a dog page because I'm not running this offer. I'm just showing you. Okay, so whatever, for example, if I want to run a manifestation related offer, I'm going to use this one. Okay, look at this, manifestation and law. That's what I am in. I'm into make money online and weight loss niche. So that's why I keep that kind of a page only. Hope you're getting my point. This is really important. Okay, and now this is the second very important place, right, after, right, selecting the placement, and that is, right, you should have an Instagram page too, so that you can select here. And again, make sure your Instagram page, right, should have the similar page like dog, right, related to dog. So make it a dog page and put some images, get some engagement. It's very easy to get the engagement, right, in Instagram. And it's very easy to sell the ClickBank product with Instagram also. If you don't know, watch my next video. That's my next video. You're going to learn there. So once you selected the same page, okay, just I'm not creating a page now, I'm just showing you. Okay, this is the second very important thing. Okay, and now your image and video. Okay, so select here to select the image, and then here you can see add your media. So add image or video, whatever you want. So we have an add image. So we'll select here upload, and this is our 2 images. You can test the image. Meanwhile, I'm just selecting this first one, and this is selected here, continue. Okay, so this is our image. And now here you can see this is the feed and explore page we have selected. This is what they're gonna see in the explore page of the Instagram and the Instagram news feed also. And now guys, this is the primary text. Okay, so this is the primary text which we needed. So we already created the primary text here. Okay, this is the primary text. Okay, so reveal the simple, we'll put the primary text here. Okay, reveal simple techniques for unlocking your dog's natural intelligence is to eliminate bad behaviors and create the obedient, well-behaved pet of your dream. So now guys, what we're going to do is, like, we're going to put the landing page which we created. So this is the landing page we created. So we're going to put the landing page here. Okay, so like this. So now, so we put the primary text and we put the website here. Okay, and our call to action, you can use learn more. This is really important in here. Learn more you can use, or contact now, or you can say shop now also. Okay, book now, whatever it is. So I'm going to keep learn more because in my experience you're going to get a lot of clicks in learn more. So we're going to keep the learn more only. So this is how your ad will look like. You can click here to see, right, expand. And here you can see this is your ad in the Instagram feed. Okay, this is what they're gonna see. Okay, so right, or Instagram feeds, you also see, right, the explore page. You can see this is what they're gonna look in the explore page. Okay, so almost, right, we are ready with it. Okay, so now if you want to put the Facebook pixel, you can put the Facebook pixel, right, that you have to do in the beginning, and then you have to say confirm. Okay, then it will go for the review, and once it will get approved, right, your ad will start running. So hope you liked this right, tutorial step by step how to promote a ClickBank offer with Instagram ads. Okay, so this is the step by step method which you have to use while promoting ClickBank offer with Facebook ad or the Instagram ad. Hope you liked it. If you liked it, smash that like button guys, and subscribe my channel. And if you are very new, watch these 2 videos guys, which will help you to avoid some of the mistakes and to do Facebook ad more properly.